Now, most people when they write copy, they use the wrong language. Don't talk in your language, talk in the potential customer's language. So what do I mean by that? Well, let's look at two examples really briefly right here, and we're gonna go back to the customer, a lawn care business, and we'll pretend that that's your business model. You take out an ad in the local paper, or maybe you run Facebook ads to, a geolocation or something somewhere in close proximity to your business, whatever. We're not here to argue, semantics or which ad works better for, which business. I just want you to understand this crucial copywriting mistake. Here's two examples of a potential ad title. Number one, get rid of pesticides, herbicides, and enrich your grass overnight. Or number two, grow your grass twice as fast and keep it healthy. Which one is better? Well, the second one is clearly better. Why? Language. Speak in the customer's language, not your own. Use layman's terms and keep it simple and short. Now, you might think that a lot of things that you're talking about and referring to, like pesticides or herbicides, are common uses or common language or common sense essentially. But you have to remember that you might be the expert in that field and your potential customer might not see it that way. Okay, here's one more example that you might understand a little bit better. I'm an entrepreneur and I sell a lot of information products online that help other aspiring entrepreneurs make more money quicker. An example of an ad related title could be Hack the Amazon Algorithm, what Jeff Bezos told me. A better example of that ad title in layman's terms might be rank your Amazon product with this one easy secret. Why? Because not all people looking to purchase something Amazon related might understand that there's an algorithm or even know what that is. Some people might, sure, but most people that would potentially buy that product are new to Amazon. And the same goes for Jeff Bezos. Do most of the people that are watching probably understand or know who he is? Sure, but a lot probably don't too. Why fight an uphill battle?